I don't even know where to start. It's been a while since I've posted on here. I've been dealing with school, trying to finish up my freshman year at, Go Cooks. But I'm back and ready to just post some more content. I have a lot of plans for this channel just to get things, up and moving. But I thought what a great way to come back with a nice detailed braid out video. I have other videos of me doing braid outs and taking them out, but I figured I should be a little bit more detailed with my braid outs and try to do braid outs with different brands and different products. So my last video that I did a braid out with was with Cantu. So today we're going to be doing a braid out with only Aunt Jackie's. So I got in the mail some products from Aunt Jackie's, which I kind of am excited about because I've used Aunt Jackie's in the past. I've used their moisturizing and softening shampoo, which I really liked because I feel like it did soften up my hair a lot and it did provide a lot of moisture. So I got the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant, which I'm excited about because I've been trying to work on getting my hair just moisturized and looking the best that it can look. And then I got the Flaxseed Elongating Gel, which I'm also excited about because, flaxseed is a must. So I'm just smelling the products and they smell so good, and I'm just so excited because one of the things that I look for in products, to be honest, is if it smells good, because I personally don't walk around with my hair smelling like a hot rickety mess. Oh, this buttercream smells so good. It's very coconutty. It's very coconutty. Okay. I don't want to waste this, but I want to show how thick this cream is. It's pretty thick, which I'm excited about. I really don't want to waste this. It looks like it's... Oh, I don't want to waste it! Okay. So, we're not even gonna dilly-dally, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna jump right into it. Nothing special going on with my hair right now. I washed it a couple days ago, and it's in need of a wash again because it's starting to flake up, and you know how I feel about flaking. It's a no. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right to it. I'm gonna wash my hair and condition it. I think I might deep condition my hair on camera, but I'll wash it with shampoo off camera and then come back to deep conditioning and show you how I'm going to deep condition my hair, what I'm gonna use. Okay, for this part of the video, I parted my hair, tried to work out that middle part as best as I could to the best of my ability. I wanted a nice clean middle part, and then I went ahead and sectioned the two pieces of my hair out of the way and left the other two in the back, and working in big sections in the back and little sections in the front. Then I oiled my scalp and tried to massage my scalp for a good 2 to 3 minutes to get the blood flowing, get the blood circulating, and promote hair growth. Next, I went in with the buttercream and the hair parfait and tried to comb that out and put the gel over it and braided my hair like I do in my other videos. If you want to see how I braid my hair detailed, you can check it out in this video, but if you want to see a more detailed version, I have other videos showing me braiding my hair up more detailed. that's what the two back sections looked like. They began to unravel at the ends, but I just wrapped them around my finger really quickly and then began working on the front section of my hair. I allowed them to lay flat on the right side and flat on the left side rather than just individually and randomly like the back. Okay y'all, it's the next morning and I literally just woke up, so I want to not waste any time and just go right into the takedown because I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm back from just separating and opening and taking down these braids. So now what I'm going to do is fluff, and I'm going to do two styles of fluffing. I'm going to fluff with the wide tooth comb, and I'm also going to fluff with a blow dryer. So I'm just going to section the front away, and I'm not going to touch it until the end. Alright, I'm back and nice and fluffed and stretched, and you see this bounce? Do you see this bounce? Do you see the bounce? See the definition? Like, come on now, come on now. The front I did not touch. I just let it fall and sit wherever. I think I just need to open this one. But guys, I don't know what to say. I mean, y'all see the truth. Y'all see the truth. Y'all see the truth. Like, if you sleeping still, it's time to wake up. These two paired together, my hair feels really soft. It feels very moisturized. Taking these down was a breeze. Even separating them, I didn't even need the extra oil to separate them. They're just so moisturized and they retain so well. And look, no flaking. Like, that's what I need in a product. And these products are very cheap, only $5 to $6. Like, not even expensive. Like, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. What more can I say? Anyways, that's the end of this video. Comment below what was your favorite part, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found this very interesting, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.